ako nakatira sa kung saan mang Piazza Pio XI, Pius 11. Now, where the end 1 kilometer and towards to Vatican City. All the cars are blocked because this occasion of the funeral of the Pope. 1 kilometers not surrounding the Vatican City. They are away, they block the area and they don't pass. The police do not allow to pass the private vehicles because of this occasion of the funeral of the Pope. So surrounding the Vatican City, 1.5 kilometers away from the main towards the Vatican City. So this is the you see now all the cars are really taken away in the streets, and we could not see anymore the cars around. While there, the block started there. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the funeral today, April 26th of the deceased Pope Francis, April 26, 2025. Wow. See, the VIPs are passing from the Vatican. There are VIPs and there are also VIPs coming towards Vatican. Yes, VIPs around with entourage, the police. Really busy this place. 1 kilometers and 500 meters away from the Vatican City. So people are coming, walking from here towards the Vatican. Buses, the public buses are not allowed to enter, and then the people are really coming towards Vatican City, and they are walking 1 kilometers 500 towards the Vatican. You see? Okay, they are. They are going to the Vatican, and all the other side, the VIPs with the police entourage. Yan. Okay, language yan.
Oh, yes,
okay. The African. For diplomatic. There are many people coming down, and then they are going down there towards the Vatican City. They are walking really long walk. Okay, you see. So I am really fortunate because I am on the highway where the VIP is going to the Vatican. Really